I'm gonna take him out as best I can.
Info is positive. As soon as he saw us, he took off, and we're going in pursuit of monitor. Took a look at it. These guys are racing, and we're in pursuit. Go ahead, confirm that report. These guys are code 6. Repeat code 6. We're on station and monitor.
Northwest, be advised. We just received a call of a speeding vehicle that matches the description of the code 6 party you just lost.
message. Bring him in. We got a chance here to get one of the most notorious street races in Rockport off the streets. I don't care how you do it. You will take the suspect out any way you can, understand?